We got some racing fuel. I don't see a negative outcome with this. Like, this can't be bad. If you guys haven't been keeping up with these shorts I've been posting, I've been working on the racing lawnmower and you guys seem to love it. So today we're gonna be seeing if it runs on methanol, which I actually know nothing about. I was like, just thought it ran on gas because, you know, it's a lawnmower. You guys in the comments were all like, no, it runs on methanol. I was like, I don't know anything about that. So I went out and bought 5 gallons of methanol. And now we're gonna put it in the lawnmower. What could be better? I feel like this can't really go wrong. I feel like it's just a win either way. Again, I know nothing about this, so if you guys have something to say about it, you're like, you're doing this wrong, you're terrible, go ahead, tell me. I would love to hear it. I actually learn a lot from you guys in the comments, so that'd be great. Let's see if this thing runs. If it doesn't, actually, I do also just have that much gas in a little water bottle. So hopefully, even if it doesn't, we still get to see this thing run. Because I did fix a couple things, and if you want to see that, go check out the shorts. But hopefully this thing runs on some alcohol. Actually, I'm gonna explain to y'all what's been going on. Oh, don't fall. So, I fixed the flywheel, the key had sheared off, and I cleaned out this carb, which is the old one. I tried a Chinese one, and it just was not good anyways. But I did have a sheared key while I was trying it, so maybe it was good, but you know. I like this one better just because people say it runs on methanol. Who doesn't want a lawnmower that runs on alcohol? So I put this one back on. It may be gas, I don't really know. We're just trying some methanol. New intake, that's all good. Battery's charged up. Again, teeth are still missing, which is really unfortunate. I think I probably need to buy an aluminum flywheel. If this thing gives me any notice of running, y'all tell me where I can buy an aluminum flywheel or a flywheel that fits this thing. I have to assume this thing's a Vanguard motor just because it's a V-twin Briggs & Stratton, but I don't know year, or I don't know exactly. So like, I'm kind of afraid spending 300 bucks on just like, I don't know if it's gonna fit. But gas tank's now empty. Here's our fuel line. Maybe a drop. But I'm gonna throw some methanol on it. Is this gonna work? I have no idea. Am I excited? Yes, I am. Oh, this is gonna be good. I feel like even if nothing happens, I'm still gonna be so excited. Like, look how cool this thing is. Imagine this thing just running on alcohol. I got a sandwich. Let's fill this thing up. It's gotta be enough. Looks like there's enough in there. All right, moment of truth. All right, come on. Not yet. Just a little bit. Help me get started. Something was definitely wrong, but man, it ran. Something's burning so bad. All right, we're gonna see if it starts just one more time. God, that thing was loud. I thought that flywheel was gonna blow up. It was just revving up. Didn't really have much control. Oh, we're leaking methanol. Looks like we need a gasket. Screw it in a little bit. All right. I don't know what to think about this. I am so excited, but then again, like, it doesn't run right. It's more to work on though, so I guess that's a positive. I now completely see why there's a wheelie bar on this thing. Before, when I drove it, if you guys watched the original video where I just had like 89 octane, I was like, this thing's kind of slow. Yeah, I was standing next to this thing and I was like, yeah, this is a little scary. Like, I was kind of like, uh-oh, like I can see the wheelie bar is going to be used. I do want to hear y'all's input on what you think is wrong with it, because I know there's some of you out there that work on these engines, and I don't, so I know nothing about running alcohol, as you can see from the video. If you could tell, it was revving up and down, or surging pretty bad at idle, and it would surge like high RPM surge. And then if you hit the gas, it would just like almost die out, but you could kind of catch it if you pedal a little bit. So it was acting like it was running lean, so I made it a little richer, but then it wasn't as friendly at idle. And it had like a couple, I don't know, just had problems like that. You can hear it in the video, hopefully actually. I hope the camera picked it up, because that thing was loud. So let me know what you guys think. And if you want to see this thing move, probably in the next video, I'm going to be driving this thing. And I'm so excited. I'm a little scared, but a little excited that wheelie bar is going to get some use. But let me know so I can fix those problems. And let me know what you guys think, just in general in the comments, what you want me to do with this thing, other than just a full top speed test. But if you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment. It'd mean a lot. All right, see you guys in the next one.